Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Richmond isn't just a city, it's a living timeline. Long before the first brick was laid, the Powhatan Confederacy called these falls home, recognizing the power of James River. When English settlers arrived in 1607, they saw the same thing, a strategic gateway where the water turns from calm to chaotic. This transition point defined Richmond's soul before it even had a name. By the mid-1700s, the town began to take shape, named after Richmond-upon-Thames in London, because of the view of the James mirroring that of the famous English curve. But the atmosphere here was anything but peaceful. This became the stage for the revolution. In a small timber church on a hill, Patrick Henry uttered 7 words: "Give me liberty or give me death." That didn't just spark a movement, they redirected the course of human history. Richmond wasn't just participating in the birth of a nation, it was providing the heartbeat. As the 19th century dawned, the city transformed into an industrial titan. It became a hub of iron, tobacco and commerce, fueled by a complex canal system and the growing pulse of the railroad. But this era also carried a heavy, dark weight. Richmond grew into the center of the domestic slave trade, a legacy that remains etched into the very soil of the Shockoe Bottom district. The city's wealth and its tragedies were inexplicably linked, creating a landscape of profound contrast. Then came the fire. At the end of the Civil War, as the city served as the Confederate capital, much of the business district was reduced to ash by retreating fires. Most cities would have folded, but Richmond has a habit of rising. The Reconstruction era brought a new skyline and a new identity. By 1888, the city made history again, launching the world's first successful electric streetcar system. Richmond was literally charging into the future, proving that it could reinvent itself no matter the scars of the past. The 20th century saw the city evolve into a center of law, finance, and eventually a booming counterculture. The grand monuments of the past began to share the streets with bold murals and a fierce independent spirit. Today you can feel this friction between the old world and the new. It's in the way the century-old warehouses now house tech startups, and how the rugged James River Park system offers a wild escape right in the middle of a concrete jungle. Richmond's history isn't tucked away in a dusty book, it's underfoot. It's in the cobblestones that rattle under the carriage wheels and the iron bridges that survive the flames. It is a city of resilience built on the falls of a river that refuses to stand still. From a colonial outpost to a modern creative powerhouse, the story of Richmond is one of constant motion, proving that even the oldest stone can support the newest dreams.
Candy? Did you just say candy?
Jack, do not do that pose. Jack, stop.
I don't like this.
No, wait.
Who is this? That is actually really scary. I don't like this.
Is that...
It's not you.
Okay, Jack, pose.
Well...
Okay, ready?
That not...
I'm saying it's 11.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.